I mentioned that I don't have a table saw in my shop in a previous video, but that's not completely true. I do have a table saw of sorts. This is a little miniature table saw, but it is not a toy. First of all, you'll notice I do keep a safety feature on here. This is a Florist styrofoam, and I use that to cover the blade so I don't get cut when I am around it. And I give you a little demonstration here. Now, this is going to be a little bit hard for it. You can raise and lower this blade right here. It says up and down, and you also can adjust your fence. This is a really solidly put in fence, which can make micro adjustments along the way. Very good. We'll turn this on. We'll see if we can do this. I know the blade's been used a little. With very little work there. There's a 1/2-inch plywood there, and it cut right through it. Obviously, if you had a thinner stock, it would go through much more quickly. I'll just give you a quick example of this. And this really is at 90 degrees. I've double checked it. It's pretty accurate, and for craft work, for doing small cut-ups where you want to maybe do some glue-ups later on or something like that, for some turning work or some pen work or something like that, you can use it for all of that. It makes very clean cuts. Blade, you can get extra blades, not a problem. And this is available at Amazon and other places. It costs about, I would say, $50 or so. But it's certainly worth it. Now, another saw that you might want to use in the shop is this one. And this one is basically a cutoff saw, but it can also be done for angle cuts. It does have angle guides right here. Holds your product very securely. This is not moving. And you just turn it on, and you just cut it down. And you see how quickly that cut right through that. Nice and clean. And this is a really useful tool also in the shop. You don't necessarily have to have big tools. You don't necessarily have to have a lot of space. You can do a lot of work in your shop with these smaller tools. But I'd highly recommend this. It's a great little addition to your shop.